Welcome to the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle. Has always been a symbol of timeless design and automotive charm. Although the production of the Beetle officially ended in 2019, enthusiasts and car lovers continue to dream about its return. There has been ongoing speculation about an electric revival of this iconic model. The idea of a fully electric Beetle, potentially named the ID Beetle, has generated a lot of excitement. The question remains, will Volkswagen bring the Beetle back in 2025 as part of its electric vehicle lineup? In recent years, Volkswagen has shifted its focus toward electric mobility. The ID series, which includes models like the ID Buzz and ID 4, showcases Volkswagen's dedication to an electrified future. The ID Buzz, inspired by the classic microbus, has successfully blended nostalgia with modern technology. Could this formula work for a future Beetle? Design concepts for an electric Beetle often highlight its unmistakable silhouette. Wide, curvy fenders, a rounded roofline, and compact dimensions define its classic charm. Pair these retro features with sleek LED lighting and a minimalist interior, and you have a modern take on a beloved classic. A 2025 electric Beetle could include advanced features like a long-range battery, rapid charging capabilities, and smart technology integration. Imagine autonomous driving modes, customizable displays, and eco-friendly materials all packed into one of the most recognizable cars ever made. Despite the enthusiasm, Volkswagen's executives have been clear that a Beetle revival isn't a current priority. Their main focus lies in expanding their core electric lineup. That said, the Beetle remains a strong contender for future projects due to its enduring popularity and iconic status. For now, the legacy of the Beetle lives on through countless fans, custom builds, and restored models on the road today. Its unique history and appeal continue to inspire designers and engineers alike. While a 2025 Volkswagen Beetle might not be on the horizon, the possibility of its return in some form keeps the automotive world intrigued. What do you think? Should Volkswagen bring back the Beetle as an electric vehicle? Would it resonate with modern drivers while staying true to its roots? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Until then, the spirit of the Beetle lives on, waiting for its next chapter in automotive history.